Hey everybody, Cam right now here with Forest River Impression. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 318 RL View. The first thing you're going to notice on this model is the massive windows that we've implemented on this floor plan. So you're going to get a great view of that campsite. We've also got the extended season package on here, which is going to be a heated enclosed underbelly and ducted air that's actually ran through there. So we went with a glass entry door. We went with a whole new graphics package, new logo, new color schemes. Inside here, you're going to notice a large pass-through storage. Inside this pass-through storage, you're going to see a 30 amp charge controller for the solar panel that's already on the roof, which is 100 watts, and that's going to be a plug and play up to 500 watts. Taking a look at the front cap now, you will see we use a 2025 upgraded exterior graphics package on this, so it's going to be a painted front cap. You also will have your exterior upgraded lights on this. We use a Rhino pin box on here, which is going to give you extra head height in that bedroom. As we take a step inside the 318 RL View, a few of the key features in the kitchen that I want to talk about is upgraded solid surface countertops. You'll have 4 bar stools around this island. You'll have the upgraded sink that's got a cup washer. You'll have a place for soap, waterfall, a lot of cool features on this sink. Upgraded 16 cube 12 volt refrigerator. You'll get a larger microwave, 3 burner cooktop with stove and storage down below. And overall, you're gonna have a ton of storage in this kitchen area. As we move on over here, we've got another area where it can be a seating area or it actually converts into a desk. As we move on into the living area, one thing I wanted to mention is you're going to get a ton of living space in here due to the opposing slides. So for some seating options that we have is a dual recliner here right across from your entertainment center, and another sleeping spot which will pull out into a bed as your trifold sofa. On the entertainment center here, you're going to get a 50-inch TV, portable Bluetooth speakers, and a 5500 BTU fireplace. Behind the entertainment center is everyone's favorite feature on this 318 RL View is the hidden bunk room, or it can be used for extra storage. Beside the entrance to the bunk room is going to be a ceiling to floor pantry for extra storage. As we head into this very spacious bathroom, you'll see a full walk-in shower, porcelain toilet, dual sinks with vanities above, and tons of storage. As we head into the bedroom now, in our bedside here, we're going to use a full king-size bed with our VersaTilt technology. It's going to increase your leg walking space through here. Also, if you want to read a book, watch TV at night, it helps with that. We have a full walk-in closet that's washer and dryer prepped, and a dresser right across from the bed. Going over a little bit about the heating and cooling on this unit. So we use a dual 15K AC standard on all of our View models, and that does include ducting into that bunk room. We use a 35,000 BTU furnace and a 60,000 BTU on-demand tankless water heater. Thanks for taking a look at the 318 RL View with me. If you guys have any questions or want to see more floor plans by us, head to our website at forestriverinc.com/impression.